Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use INA219 DC Current Sensor with Visuino and Arduino. We are going to measure the current in real time and display it on the OLED display. This sensor is perfect for monitoring the power consumption in your projects. In this tutorial I'm going to use this sensor to monitor the current consumption by the light bulb connected to the DC power supply. For this project you will need a INA219 sensor, Arduino board, Visuino program, some jumper wires, breadboard, OLED display, some kind of load like DC motor or light bulb, and DC power supply. Wire everything according to this schematic. As you can see, in Visuino we have the INA219 component and OLED display, and both components are connected to Arduino using the I2C connection, and INA sensor pin current is connected to the display OLED to text field 1 pin in. Usually these sensors have 100 ohm shunt resistor, but if you have any other kind of resistor, you can easily change it in the settings under the shunt resistor. Here you can see it is 0.1, this means 100, but you can change it according to your sensor. As you can see in the OLED display elements, we have two fields. One is text field and the other one is draw text. For the text field we can set the size to, you can set the width and the X if you want, and the Y. For the draw text I set size to 2 and text to milliamps, and once again I set X to 100 and Y to 15. Because this OLED display is the smaller one, I needed to set the height to 32 and width to 128. When your project is ready, all you have to do is select the build tab, check the port and click on the button compile, build and upload to the project. I will put the link of the full written tutorial in the description, and there you can also download the Visuino file and test it yourself.